Today is a really special day because today 2 boats will tow me into the Rio Dulce. One boat will pull me forward and the other will heel me over. To get into the Rio Dulce I need to pass a sandbar. The depth of the sandbar is 6 foot. My draft is 8 foot. They're gonna tow my boat in the Rio Dulce. It's high water now. I need to steer, they say. Echt doodeng. Well, they're doing well. They're not heeling me over yet. But that will be soon. Yeah. Oh my god, it's getting... looks like getting more and more force. Getting more and more away from me. Oh, now they're tightening the line, so now they're going to, yeah, they're going to pull me over now. The moment is there. Oh, this is so scary, I'm shaking. I'm shaking, shivering, shaking, whatever. Oh my god. Yeah, they're healing me. I don't know, it's 220. The depth meter is telling me. And I'm stuck. I'm really stuck on the ground yet. Oh. Ooh. I'm falling. More! Mimi!
You don't move. You're stuck. You don't move.
So far, everything did not go how I expected. Or I decided that I would like to have my boat towed over the sandbank into the Rio Dulce. I did some investigation. I asked around, I emailed marinas and asked the agent if it is possible. They all said, oh, no problem, no problem. But what now? I'm stuck.
She's stuck on the bottom.
I got stuck on the deepest part of this sandbar. Luckily they didn't give up and they gave it a second try. Now they were heeling me over more than before. I was so worried. With full force they started pulling on my mast and on my boat to get me moving again. And yeah, slowly but sure, yes, I think I'm moving again. Dit is de meest enge ding wat ik misschien nooit meer in mijn leven wil doen. Maar ik moet het doen om er weer uit te komen. I get stuck again. Ja, je zal het niet kunnen zien, maar dit is echt crazy. Ik hield de boot over met de halyard hier. Here, water is going into here. But they have to, because I got stuck the first time. Good thing is the boat will come back. And the mast is still there. They say they're professionals. And it's only a few more meters.
Where it is stuck, and you can see the ground here.
Oké, ik ben nu meer relaxed. De boot is ja, gewoon schuin van, oh wat een harde wind is er. Het is wel helemaal gestoord. Maar ze hebben het allemaal onder controle. They pulled me over the bar, maybe a little bit more, and then I did it. Dit This is so cool. I'm nearly there. We are 250, we're good. I'm sure we are good. We are there. I made it, or they made it. They made it work. One second, I was really nervous, but I made it. How cool is this? How cool is this? Oh yeah. How cool. Hot.
Yeah.
It was so scary.
Were you thinking that it would not work, or?
I was, at the moment I thought, okay, I need to live here.
Not the worst
I
place.
thought this is my destiny.
You were really stuck out there.
Yeah.
It was just lying there, and the boat was like at least a foot higher than it usually is.
I needed to pay those guys. After that, the agent will come to collect the papers for the check-in. While the agent was doing the paperwork, there was a little bit of time to explore Livingston. I did like the Caribbean vibe in this village, but the agent said that it is not safe during the night and it is better to go upriver and anchor there. One last look at the sea and then back to the boat on the river. While Footloose is anchored safe for the night, I'm enjoying the beauty of this river. But watching those birds, I'm a little bit concerned. Maybe you are as concerned as I was at that time. How will I get out of the Rio Dulce? To follow my adventures live, you can subscribe to my Facebook page, Sailing Footloose Solo. It also will help me if you like my video and subscribe on my YouTube channel.